Video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom email address with Godaddy. Having a custom email address not only boosts your professional image, but it also helps in building trust with your customers or contacts. Let's dive right into the process so you can start sending emails from a custom domain. First, ensure that you have a domain purchased with Godaddy. If you haven't done this yet, simply go to Godaddy's website and search for an available domain that suits your needs. Purchase it and you're ready to proceed. With your domain set, navigate to the Godaddy homepage. You'll want to log into your account, which you can do by clicking the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Input your login credentials and once you're in, go to the My Products section which lists all the domains and services linked to your account. Now, locate the domain you wish to create your custom email with. Next to it, you'll find a button labeled Manage. Click on it to manage your domain settings. Now, look for an option that says Email and Office and select it. Godaddy offers different email hosting plans, so take a moment to browse through them. Choose the one that aligns best with your needs. Make sure to take into account factors like the number of inboxes you require and the amount of storage each should have. After selecting a plan, you'll begin the setup for your custom email. Go ahead and click on Setup. You might find a pop-up asking you to specify the domain name you want to use for your email address. It should automatically populate with the domain you logged in under. If everything looks correct, continue to the next step. You're now at the point where you can create your actual email address. Typically, this includes a username that precedes the @ symbol, for instance, info@yourdomain.com or contact@yourdomain.com. Make sure this is something easy to remember and that appropriately represents the function of the email account. Once you've chosen an email address, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Godaddy may ask you to set a password for this new email account. It's crucial to choose a strong password to keep your communication secure. A mix of uppercase letters, digits, and symbols is always a good strategy. After entering and confirming your password, initiate the email creation by clicking Create. Now that your email address is set up, you can access it through Godaddy's webmail, or configure it to work with other email clients like Microsoft Outlook or Apple Mail. Godaddy will provide the necessary instructions and server settings for this, so pay close attention to those detailed guides, particularly if you're wanting to use a third-party app. By following these steps, you now have a custom email address that is perfectly aligned with your domain, enhancing your brand's professional look. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.